Don't judge my hairdo, please. Hello! Welcome to the alleyway. So today we are making happy pills. That's not them, those are actual pills. Happy pills. Let's get started. So the largest size pill is a 000, I learned. So I decided to go on Amazon and look up empty pill capsules with the 000 size. They have different colors and stuff like that, and they're all really pretty, but I wanted clear ones. I don't know. And of course, like, the smallest size bag is 100 pills, which I'm not going to need 100 pills, but that's alright. Next, you're going to need a label for your bottle. So I looked up happy pill labels under images, Google Images. And after looking at quite a few, I decided on this one right here. And I liked what it said. I don't know if you can read it. You'll be able to read it later. But I saved it to my computer. And then I decided to send it from my computer to my phone. So right now I'm on my phone. I cropped the image, cropped the label. This is what I'm doing here on my phone. I'm using airbrush and PixArt, and I'm getting rid of the name that's on the prescription and stuff. And this is a video I already did on my channel. I'll tag it. So here we go. Yeah, and I added my name and my friend's name, and yeah, that's what I did. This is the label that I showed you how to acquire. So bright. I printed it out, and then I used a straight edge cutter, and I cut it. I made sure that it was about 2 inches, and then I'm probably going to trim it a little bit. Yeah, because I like to be able to see the pills inside the bottle. Anywho, but yeah, that's my label. I'm going to laminate it with clear packing tape, which this is almost out, so I'm probably going to have to go get another roll. This is my little bowl with my little empty pill capsules that you ordered off of Amazon or something. Yeah, these are 000 size pills. And then I cut out 5 different colored papers. I cut out way too many. I'm not going to need this many, but you know. So they are 6 inches by a little over ½ inch. Yeah. So I've seen on Etsy and Pinterest and I don't know, other places, and I've heard other ideas of things that people put inside of their happy pills. And usually people put like compliments, like "you are beautiful," so that they open it and it's like a reminder that, oh my gosh, I'm so beautiful, you know. Or it's like a memory that you've had with that person, or 100 things that I like about you, or something like that. I personally, I like it when gifts are a little bit more interactive. So I just went a little bananas and I tried to find as many websites as possible that not a lot of people know about. I kind of just looked up like weird fun websites and stuff like that. I don't even know. So not even just websites, phone numbers that you can call that lead to like a fun message, Instagrams that you can follow. Like there are, what is it called? Oh, okay. An Instagram called things.faces. The cutest Instagram like ever, and it shows like a bunch of different inanimate objects that have faces. So basically they'd open a pill, they'd see that, and it would say Instagram, and then it would have the handle. And then they would look that up and they'd be like, oh, this is so cute, you know? I just think that's adorable, you know? Instead of, I love your face. Because obviously I'm giving this to one of my best friends and she knows that I love her face. You know? Anyway, so I made this gigantic list. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Made this huge list of interactive things. Okay, there's a website called armoredpenguin.com, and it's where you make your own like puzzles and personalized crosswords and fill in the blanks and stuff like that. It's cute. Yeah, so I'll list all of these for you. Oh, and I have Google coordinates on here too. So they just go to Google Maps, they type in the coordinates, and it'll take them to some place. So there's like a lake somewhere, and I don't even know, and it's shaped like a heart. I don't know. There's just a bunch of really cool things, and it's just like going on an internet safari. And I think that's very cool and fun. Okay, so there's a website called owenwilson.com. And it's Owen Wilson's website. Well, it's not his website, but it's a website about Owen Wilson. And you have to try to figure out which wow goes with what movie. It's funny. It's funny. You have to be there. Anyway. So I just wrote it on here. I'm gonna roll it on up. You gotta make sure it is rolled super tight. I'm sure this part will be sped out. Okay, so we gotta roll. We're gonna open the pill capsule. One side is bigger than the other. You just stick it in the big side. Make sure you don't push it all the way down in there, because when they try to get it out, it's gonna be hard to get it out. I don't know if you can see this. Ooh! Yeah, I don't know. Just make sure that it's kind of sticking out, because, yeah, it'd be hard to get it out. But anyway, this is what she looks like. And we have one happy pill. Honestly, I'm not sure how many goes in here. I think 32 or 33 can fit in this bottle. And this is a pretty tiny bottle. So it's usually a month's worth. Yeah. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna fill these out. And in the description below, I'm going to list all of my fun things and places that I usually put, or that I'm going to put on these little papers inside of my happy pills. Okay? Well, anywho, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you make some happy pills for somebody. It's a great Christmas present, and it's thoughtful, interactive. It doesn't cost a lot. It's gonna be great. if you do this project and you upload it on Instagram, tag me, okay? It's the same handle as my YouTube. Okay. Yay! Bye-bye.